Welcome to day 4 of Srijan Sangam, Melange of Creativity. In our Author's Corner today, we have a very renowned cricketer. Let us meet her straight away. I will not take too much time of yours, except for just reminding you, I am sure you must have gone through all the contests. I am sure you must have gone through all the old videos. So from day 1 to day 15, we are coming up with different kind of activities and different people from different walks of life, authors, poets, writers, yes, as well as photographers, artists, and musicians and singers. So stay tuned and keep watching. Here we go live today with Minoti Desai. Hello, Minoti. How are you doing today?
I'm good. Thank you so much. And really want to thank you for having me over. And it's I feel so privileged that I'm with all who really like and love to read. And some of them happen to be some great authors. I've been following this. And yeah, it's fantastic feeling to be here. Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. And it's such a pleasure today to meet you in person. We have only heard of cricketers who have played for India. And today we are meeting on this platform someone who's played and represented India and has played not now only, but so many years back. She has been so passionate about her task and in her uh, about her work that she has written a book about it now. So we have an author come cricketer with us. Let me give a small introduction about her. Although she doesn't need an introduction, एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन देती हूँ, उसके बाद हम आगे सीधे चलते हैं मिनोती से गुफ्तगू करने के लिए. She has written a book called She the Cricketer. It's coming in Hindi. हिंदी वालों भी तैयार रहो. 7 तारीख को उस किताब का विमोचन होने वाला है, उसका लोकार्पण होने वाला है संजय जगदाले जी के हाथों. आई थिंक क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड से जो भी जुड़ा है वो संजय जगदाले जी को जानता होगा. उनके हाथों मैम की किताब का लोकार्पण होने वाला है 7 फरवरी को, जो कि हिंदी में भी आने वाली है. फिलहाल के लिए She the Cricketer in English is already available on Amazon. So go and grab your copy. About the book, it's about grit and determination of human being. It's about Sonia, a cricketress, her journey and about hardships, and human minds trump over all the hardships that she goes through. And what about Minoti Desai? I think उनके बारे में मेरे ख्याल से सबको सब कुछ पता होगा जो यहाँ मुझे सुन रहे हैं आज. But still, I have to do my work, so I have to introduce her formally to you. She's an author of this beautifully penned fiction, a former player of Indian women's cricket team, having played in Test and One-Day international matches too. She works as an officer in the Ministry of Finance now, Department of Revenue. She was born in Mumbai, hails from Gujarat, and was brought up in Indore. मेरे शहर के बहुत करीब से हैं. इंदौर और उज्जैन बहन भाई जैसे होते हैं, तो मेरे लिए बहुत ज्यादा अजीज हैं ऑलरेडी. शी करंटली रिसाइड्स इन गुरुग्राम, दिल्ली में रहती हैं आजकल. एंड उससे ज्यादा मैं और क्या कहूँ. आई थिंक एवरीवन नोज इट दैट शी होल्ड्स अ नेशनल रिकॉर्ड फॉर हाईएस्ट स्कोर 150 runs in the finals of senior national tournament playing for Indian Railways in 1988. Chennai Nationals, she scored 150 runs against Karnataka. And she holds a record for being the best batswoman. Batsmen बहुत सुनते रहते हैं, batswoman से मिलेंगे आज हम. In 3 consecutive junior nationals in the years 85 to 87. So batswoman, welcoming you on board. And here we go live with Minoti Desai. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome on board.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So how does it feel when you hold the book in hand now after holding a bat?
Well, it feels fantastic. I am a very passionate person, and whatever I do, I have always given my 100% to it. So when I decided that I want to pen something down, then obviously I gave it my 100%.
Absolutely.
And fortunately for me, I had the right thoughts, right words, and right mood to narrate Sonia's story. And it was just, I mean, it is not, I'm not saying it because I have written it, but it has come out like a beautiful poetry, that once you start, you just don't want to put it down. I mean, I'm not saying it because I have written it. I'm just saying, like, say, Hindi version. So because I think in Hindi, so when I did the English one, then I decided that I can't be partial to my own language. I have to write in Hindi. And the joy was just the same when I penned down the English version. And yeah, it was fantastic. And I never felt that it's my first book or something. And yeah, I've done a decent job, I think.
I'm sure. I think I've been through it. I've snapped through it, but yeah, I will be reading it fully soon. And a couple of our UBI members have already read it, and they have been gaga over it. So,
Oh,
just to start the conversation, I mean, we know you as a cricketer. You are a batswoman and such a wonderful journey. We know all about it, but we don't know who is Minoti Desai as a person.
as a person?
As a person, shy, loud,
No.
happy,
Mino-
sad.
Minoti
What do
is
you put yourself?
Minoti in one word is spontaneous. In two words
Wonderful,
is spontaneous and fiery. In three words
cool.
is spontaneous, fiery, and happy. And in
Won-
four words is spontaneous, fiery, happy, and lovable.
Wonderful, 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 ma'am. And I'm
That's what my
sure
friends say. That's what my friends say. So I want to believe them.
I believe it too, because you really are a lovable person. When we reached out to you, and here I want to actually thank Amitabh ji to connect me to you. Amitabh Sharma जी, अगर आप सुन रहे हैं तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मिनोती को हमारे साथ connect करने के लिए. And thanks to him, I know you. But when I spoke to you the first time, it just clicked, and you're so really so lovable, and you took it all in such a good straight. And today we are here on the platform. That's so wonderful. And I think nobody knows that we have never met before today, and we are seeing each
Yes,
other today itself.
yes.
That speaks a lot. I mean, spontaneity, that speaks a lot. But
I
lovable,
think yeah, yeah, of course, lovable is very individualistic,
yes, cool.
but yeah, spontaneity is something which always strikes, I feel, yeah.
So I think we'll all see the spontaneity in her as it comes in, because whatever I'm asking is straight away, right away here. So here I
Oh,
go with another question. Um, if, as I say, India, when we talk about sports, we otherwise we call it as a sports nation. Indian parents are, but not known to encourage children to pursue sports. That too, girls, certainly not, right? And in such a scenario, you chose cricket at such a tender age. What exactly you think were your challenges, if you can recall some of your challenges when you took cricket as your career?
well, see, to start with, I remember, I think I'm very fortunate that I was born with a free soul. I'm a very free spirit, and I feel fortunate because I discovered that at a very early age, at the age of 4 or 5. I always knew that I'm different. I always knew that I'm meant to do different things, and hence I never went by the mm, general belief that people have that this is supposed to be done and this is not supposed to be done. I've always done my own journey and then concluded whether this is to be done or not to be done. Or I would rather put it that I've always taken it whether I want to do it further or not want to do it further. I was never scared of experimenting. I was never scared of taking that first step, which I still do. And when I before cricket, I played many games. I was a very athletic person always, and I played a lot of sports. But I don't know. Probably I had some past life connection with cricket that I just fell in love with it, and I fell in love so badly that irrespective of the challenges, irrespective of people telling my father that this is not, I mean,
That's not
nobody
it.
said cricket is girls' game. Those days it was when you say cricket, you're talking about men's cricket. Nobody could think. Today, when you ask, uh, like without knowing somebody, when you say you play cricket, then you have to ask, you know, you don't think that you're talking about a guy, maybe you're talking about a girl. So that's a good thing that we have reached. But
Yes.
back then it was not like that. So there were a lot of initial challenges, but I will not lie and say that, oh my God, I faced so much, because I was very fortunate to be born in a family which was very uh, what do you say, forward in thinking. So
Mm,
me, my brother, my sister, we all treated the same. So we
mm,
were never told do this or don't do this, you know, all three of us. And we had the freedom to actually get to do what we wanted to do. So as my sister chose studies, my brother chose mixed bag, I chose cricket. And
okay.
yeah, but
And
yes, I
why
mean, going
why
forward.
cricket? I mean, so many sports you were playing. Why cricket?
Well, see, my mother is a. It's very strange, but back then, when I was 7 or 8, she loves cricket to bits. You know, I mean, to the extent that you can't even imagine. She would actually pack the dabba in the morning when there were 2 3 days. I mean, I don't know if you've been to Indore. There is a stadium, and she would take us there, pack a dabba in the morning. We would go there at 10 o'clock, and we would eat the lunch there, and we would come back only in the evening, and we will just sit and watch. Though I never understood anything, and the place where I lived, right in front of my house, there was a ground where the boys used to play. But most of all, I think I got influenced by uh, my inner instinct. You know, it's like I was told by my inner instinct that this is what I should do. And also, I'm a very rebellious person by nature. So when somebody tells me you can't do, I will always do it. So
Wow.
when initially I took it up, or when I was contemplating the thought that should I play, should I not play, and when I was told that this is not the game for you, I said, okay, now I have to play. That was it. So,
Uh,
yeah.
that's wonderful. That's wonderful. And after, I mean, choosing it, I think you, I mean, at what age did you start playing that? I mean, that was like very young, I'm sure.
Yeah, I started playing at around 10 or 11, but then that time I used to just play with my colony boys, you know. And
Mhm.
when it came to playing for a club, or say state level junior, then I
Mhm.
started at around 13, which people thought was a late age to start. But
Mhm.
yeah, I mean, it was all right. So.
And now, when I talk to you, I think around at that age you started off, and you, after being so passionate about the game, after being so happy with the game, what made you leave cricket at the tender age of 25? What was the decision? Why was that decision made? What led it to that decision?
Look, I think after just a week back, I told somebody that I want to be born again and I
Mhm.
want to play cricket again. So that says it all. That
Oh
means
my
that
God.
yeah. So that means that there were some circumstances, there were some situations which
That's
probably did not allow me, but I still have that, what do you call it in the kasak, you know,
uh,
the uh, the what do you say? It's a very I can't give a right word to it, but
that feeling
for
inside
years,
within you,
yeah,
like
yeah, yeah,
that, still
yeah,
you
yeah.
want to, your
I mean,
heart is there.
I do feel that uh, a lot of talent got
Mhm.
wasted because I quit. I mean, I genuinely thought that there was so much more that I could do, but I could not because of circumstances, because of things, because of people. So yeah, but
I
yeah,
guess your
I'm
love for the game has not died. That we can see very well because the book is not named. It's not about any love story or anything else, which generally gets sold very fast. But it's all about cricket. and the journey of Sonia. And that's so beautiful. And that shows it all, that you have, even though you have left cricket, maybe from the ground, you have, like, parted ways, but then still, you are still connected to cricket by way of your own writing journey, which you have continued now. Am I
Look,
correct?
I always said this, that it's just not about uh, it's just not about playing or not playing, you know. Once
Mhm.
you're in love, you're always in love, you know. It's like your
True.
parents, whether they are
Yes.
old, it's not that when they're old you love them less, and when
Yes.
they are feeding you, you love them more. The love remains. It's a natural bond. So for me,
Yes.
that love I have for cricket is just that it is not that when I was playing I love it and I have quit so I don't love it. Probably I would say that I love it more now, you know, because I evolved as a person, and I have, you know, actually learned to appreciate that, you know, I got to play for India, and today I'm a selector for Madhya Pradesh girls team, and I want to do so much for them. I want to do so much for cricket. I want to do so much for the game, which has given me so much. You know, it gave me name, it gave me fulfillment of dreams, it gave me my job, it gave me so much. I mean, I'm so thankful to the game. Yeah.
And now, coming to your book, when I'm talking about this new journey of you as an author,
Yes.
if I can ask, how much of Minoti do you see in Sonia?
Passion is the same.
Okay.
The passion that Sonia has and Minoti has is same. The circumstances or challenges that Sonia faced are same, you know,
Mm,
because like you said
mm,
that uh, if Sonia played when men cricket was everything, I played when men cricket was everything too.
yeah.
So, and that's why this book uh, has a special place in my heart, that on each page of the book,
Mm,
you will see the love story between Sonia and cricket.
lovely,
Though
lovely.
it's not a love story, but there
Whoever
is so
loves
much love.
cricket,
Yeah, yeah,
no, whoever loves cricket must love the book and will surely love the book. I am
yeah,
sure on
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah. And yeah, I mean, my intent is to that people fall in love with Sonia at the end of the story, you know. Not for Sonia, uh, only the cricketer, but the person. I mean, it's eventually a story about a triumph of human being
Yes,
against challenges. And and
absolutely.
and and the moral of the story is that if you really want to do something, you can do it.
You can do it. You can do it. And as I said, this whole book is about determination and grit. So, yes, I think whoever is looking out for that and loves the game must read that book.
I hope
And
they do.
today we have a small surprise for you, Minoti,
Yeah.
and for the audience as well. They
Okay.
might have come to just interact with you, but we have few audiences and few cricket lovers from across India who would like to meet you,
Oh,
even if
okay.
they can't meet you in person, but they can we meet you virtually, right? We have young girls, and we have a group from Pune, we have a group from Bombay. So
Oh,
there are, yes, two of them are waiting, and then they sneaked in onto the screen also just now.
oh,
So
okay.
I will bring them one by one online. Let me first bring in the group from Pune. Hello, everyone. Can you see me?
Oh,
Look
hello.
at the COVID fever out there still going on.
Yes. Hi, Shivani. Hi, Minoti. It's
Hi,
such a
how are you
pleasure to see
today?
you.
Maybe you can remove the mask for the camera for a few minutes.
Yes,
So
that's
we did
nice.
wear them though.
Yeah.
So we
Hello,
are from the
everyone.
ladies cricket team in a society called Ganga Satellite. This is
Okay.
Shweta. This
Hi.
is Supriya. We
Hi,
are ladies
Hi.
cricket team, and there is Ria, who was the
girls.
captain of under 16 cricket team. So
Oh,
we are
that's very
like,
nice.
yes. And then Shivani told us about you, Minoti. It is such a proud moment, and it's really an honor to be here with you. So thank you so much for being here.
Thank you. Thank you
And we
so much for
also
coming
have
over.
one more group waiting in the waiting room. There comes
Ah,
from Bombay.
yay. These are all cricketers, right?
Yes, these are all cricketers down here where you are seeing all the girls who are waiting to interact with you. One group is from Pune, as you just heard. That's another group from Dombivli.
Oh, okay.
अपना अपना नाम बताओगी बट लड़कियों क्या नाम है आपका?
My name is Manvi.
Hi,
My
Manvi.
name is I'm
Hello.
Radha.
Hi,
Hi.
Radha.
So
Yes.
you all play, right?
Yes.
So you want to play for India, right?
Hello. I think
They're
the
gone.
video is gone off. They'll come in. They'll come in. They'll come in.
We are from
Alright.
Shreyas Cricket Club. That
Okay.
is, sir attended in our complex. It's on a
Yeah.
massive. It's not that big, but
Okay.
कोई
And-
बात
and
नहीं,
you-
मैसेज नहीं होता है, पहले छोटा ही रहता है, छोटे से ही बड़े होते हैं सब। तो अभी
Of
छोटे
course.
लेवल पे खेल रहे हैं तो क्या हो गया, आगे बढ़ना है ना,
Of
खेलना
course.
है इंडिया के लिए, इंडिया के लिए
ये-
खेलना है।
No, I
Really?
have to tell them. I have to tell them. आपको पता है जब मैंने खेलना शुरू किया था तो मेरे क्लब में 16 गर्ल्स थी, ठीक है, और कहीं पे टीम को भेज रहे थे, तो मुझे लगा कि 16 जन की टीम जाती है तो मुझे तो मिल जाएगा मौका, तो 15 जनों को ले गए, मुझे पीछे छोड़ दिया था। तो ऐसा भी होता है।
होता है।
फिर मैंने सोचा कि नहीं अब मेरे को अगली बार तो जरूर से टीम में शामिल होना है और नेक्स्ट टाइम मेहनत करनी पड़ती है बस, है ना?
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, आई थिंक आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा। मेहनत तो ये सारे बच्चे करने के लिए रेडी हैं। आज हमारे साथ ये रिया जो जुड़ी है और मानवी जो जुड़ी है, ये 2 दिन बाद इनका बर्थडे है लड़कियों का।
Really, happy birthday in advance.
Happy birthday from everyone.
Happy birthday.
And I think they have a few questions. I will take one by one. Maybe we can start with Ria. Ria, you would like to ask a question?
I just wanted to know, like, if a school-going girl like me to attain a position on the Indian cricket team, would I have to give up all studies and everything else I do and just pay attention to cricket, or I can do that along with?
I think you
everything
can
else?
balance it. You can balance it. Only thing is that you might have to cut down on movies, on parties, on some things, but yeah, you definitely can balance both, you know. It's not that, it's a myth that those who play don't study. That's not true. They can study also. And it's very important because, you know, if you really completely lose the track of studying and suddenly one day you realize that you don't want to play cricket anymore, say for example, you know, then you will be nowhere. So I always say this, that you have to manage both, and for that you have to cut down on few things that you might be like, spend less time on phone,
Yeah, few sacrifices, yeah.
play less virtual games, then you'll have a
I
lot of
think
spare time.
young girls are also listening to you, and I think Radha, Manvi, all of you must be also listening to what ma'am is saying, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
ध्यान
Yes.
देना है, पढ़ाई में तो देना है, खेल में भी देना है, balancing करनी है, right?
No, I mean, I genuinely feel, you know, I was having this chat with students from Vaisak, you know, and somebody's mother, she asked me that, how do I make them balance? Same thing. So I said that, look, now they are doing 3 things: sports, studies, plus phone and devices that they use, you know, playing, YouTube. So somewhere you'll have to cut down and prioritize what comes first, right? So you just can't have everything. I mean, you have to take a call. Yeah.
Yeah.
Any other question?
Thank you. No, that's it. Thank you.
I have some questions. Can we
Thanks for
ask?
coming
Do you
today.
have any
Thank you.
question?
Yes.
What do you want to ask?
Radha, go first.
She forgot.
should I discipline myself? She's
What?
asking, how should I discipline myself? How should I
Make a
discipline
chart.
myself?
Make a chart. Okay. Make a chart either on paper or in your mind that this is the time I'll get up. This is the time I'll do this. This much time I'll give for sports. This much time I'll go for practice. But if you want to really be somewhere, if you want to achieve something in life, it's not only about cricket, it's about anything. You have to take that extra step. If others are running 2 miles, you have to run 3 miles. If others are, you know, painting for half an hour, you have to do that for extra 15 minutes. You know, what is the difference between 19 and 20? The difference is that 20 is one more and 20 knows that I'm one more. That doesn't happen by birth, you know. Even if two people are talented, equally talented, somebody who will go ahead will always be the one who has done that extra bit in life. Yeah. So work hard. Whatever you do, nothing comes on a platter. You have to work hard, right?
Any other question, anyone?
Yes, I have a question.
Yes, sir.
How do I maintain a proper diet?
Well, it depends on whether you're a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian. Yeah. So I was a vegetarian. So I started having eggs because I wanted to add something to my diet. And so first you have to tell me whether you're a vegetarian or not.
Vegetarian and non-vegetarian both.
Both. Okay. So in that case, I mean, again, it depends that I'm sure that we all like pani puri and pizzas and everything. So you have to just tell yourself that if I do this much, I'll reward myself with this, you know, give yourself that incentive. But rest of the days, have normal home food, healthy food, because I'm sure whatever is cooked at home is far more healthy than what we get outside. And then when you think that you have make goals, make small goals that, you know, I will do this or do that. I can only say in terms of, say, cricket, that if I hit 5 good shots today, I'll reward myself with this. And then once in a while, decide, not that every day if you hit 5 shots, it doesn't mean that every day you're going to go and have pani puri, right? So
I think on this note, I will want to call Hema here. We're talking about healthy diet and we have a runner, and I think Hema से मिले बिना तो ये topic आगे बढ़ाया नहीं जा सकता.
Oh,
She is such a passionate runner, and we have stayed nearby. I mean, we've been neighbors, so I know. I mean, she was so disciplined. बच्चों ने question पूछा discipline का. I still remember Ria and me being disciplined by Hema. She is a wonderful mom and a wonderful runner. The full families of runners, as I told you, even Langa's here, Manvi who is here, their full family is a runner. So both the families here we are meeting. We have Supriya, we have all these people whom we are meeting today. They are passionate sports people.
yes.
And अभी भी ये लोग बैडमिंटन खेल के आई हैं लड़कियां, और यहाँ पे हैं हमारे पास. I am right, Supriya, right? They are playing badminton. You are right now in the
wow, that looks super.
And
I have one last question.
yes,
We are blessed with really nice community and even the good infrastructure. So I think we are making good
absolutely,
use of it.
absolutely.
And we are
And
trying.
Very nice.
The good part is when you have a lot of people together, then it's really motivating. You don't really have to work hard when you have some company and so many people doing something or the other every single day. Then it's a great motivation, especially for
which is
people at
cricket
our age.
behind them.
Yeah.
Although this year's league they have missed out because of COVID, so they were all missing cricket so much. So I think let us pitch in with a little bit of cricket from online.
Yeah, that'll be nice.
Yeah, and here when I'm talking about Manvi, I think I can see all those trophies and I can see all those medals behind. उसमें से कुछ बैटिंग वाले भी हैं, कुछ bowling वाले भी हैं. So these guys, you have been amazing, and I think along with Minoti, looking at you all, जो सुन रहा है हमें, वो सब इतने inspire हो रहे होंगे सबकी बातें सुन के कि अभी आज से सब अपनी डाइट पे भी ध्यान देंगे, मैं इंक्लूडिंग मी, एंड पे ध्यान देंगे. Or I think we all need that push, to hear
Yeah.
somebody talk about it and to see somebody perform so well and hear from them to encourage us to do something about our lives, to put in a little more effort to make things happen.
No, I have to say something here. That,
Boliye.
sometimes for being healthy or being physically more strong, you might have to do something that you may not like, you know,
Hmm.
like I could never have, I love boiled eggs, but somebody told me, my coach told me that if you have kacha anda in milk, it's very, very healthy. So, every day I used to have 2 kacha anda, and it used to be so horrible, but I did it just because, I wanted to be stronger, because I won't eat anything besides eggs, since I come from a family where non-veg was not cooked. So there could be things like your parents might be telling you have fruits or eat this, which is good for you, or there is loki that you don't like. So you have to eat everything. You have to have healthy things. You just can't make a choice that I'll only eat bhindi and I'll keep eating bhindi, you know. So whatever is healthy, whatever is good for you, you have to really include that in your diet. That is the very, very important thing, I would say. So yeah,
Absolutely agree, Minoti.
yeah,
Absolutely.
thanks.
There was another question these girls had. बोलो क्या पूछ रही थी?
Yeah, sure.
मैं 3 स्पोर्ट्स खेलती हूँ. मैं रनर भी हूँ, मैराथन रनर हूँ, जूडो में स्टेट लेवल खेल चुकी हूँ और क्रिकेट भी खेलती हूँ. तो मैं तीनों पे कैसे फोकस करूँ?
Oh, that's really nice. First of all, I'm so happy that I met you, and I mean you doing all 3 things. So see what happens that whichever you are more passionate about, जहां आपका दिल आता है, तीनों चीजें आप कर रहे हैं. हो सकता है कि आपको जूडो में ज्यादा प्राइजेस मिल रहे हैं और क्रिकेट में नहीं मिल रहे हैं, पर आप जहां वाकई में आपका दिल लगता है वो क्रिकेट है, समझो. तो जहां आपका दिल है ना, वही चीज करिए, क्योंकि उस चीज में हमेशा आपका परफॉर्मेंस आज नहीं तो कल जरूर आएगा, राइट? क्योंकि wherever your heart is, you tend to, like, unless you have passion for something, आप में जब तक जोश जिसके लिए अभी आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, क्योंकि आप तीनों चीजें कर रही हैं, आप करिए, शायद आपको तीनों चीजें बराबर लगेंगी, पर आगे जाके आपको, जैसे मैंने बताया कि मैं सब खेलती थी, मैं टीटी भी खेलती थी, मैं बैडमिंटन भी खेलती थी, मैंने बहुत से गेम्स खेले, तो मुझे सब में मजा आता था. ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे मजा नहीं आता, तो मैं सारे स्पोर्ट्स ठीक ठाक खेल लेती थी. पर जब मुझे समझ में आने लगा कि इसमें मुझे बहुत ज्यादा मजा आता है और मैं ये करना चाहती हूँ, जिसके लिए आप कूद के जाना चाहते हो, जिसको जिसको करने के लिए आप कुछ चीजें छोड़ देना चाहते हो, वो आपको करना चाहिए. वो आपको धीरे धीरे समझ में आ जाएगा. अभी अपनी ट्रेन थोड़ी छूट रही है ना? अभी तो बहुत टाइम है.
टाइम है तो बस डिसिप्लिन करो, खाओ अच्छे से और फोकस करो जिस चीज पे मैम ने बोला है, उस बातों को ध्यान रखते हुए आगे बढ़ोगे तो आई एम श्योर हम थोड़े दिन बाद इनका भी, इनमें से किसी का इंटरव्यू ले रहे होंगे ऐसे ही बैठ के.
यस, स्टे फिट, वर्क ऑन योर फिटनेस.
क्या हो सकती है, मानवी हो सकती है, राधा हो सकती है,
ऑफ कोर्स,
है ना, कोई हो सकता है. सो lovely talking to you all. Anything anyone who wants to ask Minoti, anybody, any other question? Hema, do you want to ask anything?
Okay, I just wanted to ask one thing, that gaining this position at top level in a Indian cricket team, it's definitely a lot of hard work, but it's such a great competition out there, so many people, and so how the luck factor works, like, what do you think, what are your views about it?
Luck factor, see, I personally have always thought that it is mixture of luck and efforts, both. If luck is on your side and you don't make efforts, you'll never be there.
Absolutely.
If you make efforts, sometimes the luck may not be on your side, which is also true. I don't want to sound philosophical and say goody things, because I have myself experienced few things in life that luck did not, it was not on my side. So, but you just can't sit and wait for things to happen, you just can't. It's like that you don't want to run a race that what if I lose? Then you're a loser. At least run, man.
Yeah.
Then if you lose, it's okay. So I look at everything like that, that take a chance. Only if you take a chance, you have a chance.
Yeah. The only thing is there are so many people who are
Yeah.
actually making efforts and they're taking that chance, but there are like insanely a lot of people out there. So
Yeah.
that is why it has that question was there in my mind.
See, I also feel that here a lot of responsibility lies on parents, because they only want their kids to come first in studies also, in sports also, in other things also. It is not possible for kids. They
Yes.
are kids. Have some mercy on them. Treat
Yeah.
them like kids. And I feel that parents support is the most important factor for kids.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And you just want to tell them, chalo chalo gana gao, she's a very good singer, chalo chalo tum 10 run bana ke aayi ho, itna practice kyun karti ho? So I think that parents support, the structure. Parents make the structure of a child. So first, parents have to have their concepts right about how to make the kids cultivate what they are passionate about. I said this last time also in my interview, that don't force your choices on them. Just because you like painting when you were a child and you could not do it, don't try to make your daughter a painter. Maybe she wants to become a judo player. So whatever she is good at, whatever she likes, whatever she enjoys, one, let her do, and two, be supportive. Be supportive. Because
course, it's
out
a
there,
lot of, it is a
like
lot of
she
work
said,
the parent has to do along with the
yes,
child.
yes,
It's not easy. I mean, I have seen these parents whose kids you are seeing today, they have really worked hard for them to reach there.
yes,
All of the parents, I mean, if you just say कि बच्चे ने नहीं किया, बच्चा नहीं कर रहा है, आप उसको उसके ऊपर छोड़ नहीं सकते. You have to work a lot along with.
yes, yes.
और कहते हैं ना, बच्चा देख के सीखता है. तो जब आप साथ में करोगे, तो अपने आप बच्चा सीखेगा भी और करेगा भी.
And also, yeah.
I have two moms, or rather three moms there, and one mom here. Manvi's mom is, I think, also around. These moms need to be applauded. And
Yes.
thanks to these moms that we have children. That's Manvi's mom, Manali. She is a runner. She's a runner as well. And these people, these parents have really taken efforts to make their kids shine bright like this. We
Yes.
cannot be saying कि चलो तुम sports खेलो और हम अपने कमरे में जाके टीवी देखेंगे. We cannot do that. I mean, if I am doing it, then obviously मेरा बच्चा भी कहेगा कि मैं भी टीवी देखूंगा भाई. So,
Yes.
we have to make sure that we do it. I absolutely agree to that, Minoti. I completely agree to that. It's the
And
parents.
I also feel that it is very important to teach them that it is okay to lose.
Absolutely. Yes.
All right to fail.
Yeah. Rather,
It's
failure
alright
is
to
more
fall.
important.
Yeah, because all the time what we do is that we tell them that first आओ, जीत के आओ, अच्छा करो. No, that is not what you. अपनी लाइफ को अगर आप देखेंगे तो आप पाएंगे आप बहुत जगह गिरे हैं, आपने
Yeah.
बहुत ठोकरें खाई है, आप बहुत जगह पिछड़ गए हैं लोगों से. So why do you expect miracle from the kids?
Absolutely. And the things we learn from failures,
Yes.
one can never learn from the victory. Yeah.
Very true.
So
Very
true.
true.
जब
Very
गिरेंगे
true.
तब
Challenges
चलेगा.
and you need to come out of their comfort zone. So if you are
Absolutely.
and then start playing below 12 when you are 10 and a half year old, so that you're playing against big girls, then you are challenging yourself. You might fail, but then you will learn more.
Yes. No, why big girls? Even amongst the people of your age, if you fail, if you don't score, if you don't get good marks or anything, it's okay. I'm not saying that you should not make efforts, but after efforts also this happens, then you have to tell them disciplinarily that, okay, this is where we can improve, rather than telling this is where you went wrong. There is a huge difference between these two.
Yes. Yes.
There's a
So-
question which is coming from a live session which we are doing. I have a question, ma'am. Kids who are glued to gadgets due to pandemic, how can we encourage them about importance of sports? अब इसका क्या जवाब आएगा?
Come again, come again.
I have a question. There is a lady who's asking, kids who are glued to gadgets due to pandemic, how can we encourage them about importance of sports?
One is limit the time, keep the gadgets as rewards, that when you'll go out and play for an hour or do something, you'll get for 15 minutes, like one of my very close friends, she does. She's got fixed times for television. She's got fixed times for everything, you know. So that is where, when she asked me that you have to discipline yourself, you have to see, it is not their fault that the pandemic happened, right? So you can't really blame them also. But as the habit is gotten into, it can be broken also, right? And I genuinely feel that with pandemic or without pandemic, the kids have become more insiders than outsiders, you know.
Absolutely.
Yes, I
People
totally
don't
agree.
want.
Minoti, what
Yeah,
I can share with you is, yes,
yeah,
during the pandemic, even what we used to do is, I have two kids, and we used to do a lot of strength training at home. That
yeah,
there is
Yeah.
a lot of space available. Even about the running also, we used to do it early morning before even
yeah,
anybody would come out. So
yeah,
that the lifestyle we followed it during pandemic, and when
yeah,
we did not have to teach anything to the kids separately, when they were
yeah,
looking at their parents, they automatically understood that this is
yeah,
how is our life. So
yeah,
going early to the bed and early to rise, that is what was our lifestyle even during the pandemic. And
yeah,
everybody was working at home. It was like not like helping their parents or something. So
yeah,
everybody was working their own things at home. So
yeah,
that continued even after the pandemic. So it was
yeah.
like a blessing in disguise, actually.
Yes.
True.
But to coming to the person who asked the question, I mean, I'm addressing to her directly that, ma'am, I just want to say that it's not their fault that they've gone into a zone where they're glued to devices. But like I said, the habit will break gradually. And you'll have to encourage them to go out more, of course, with a mask and after taking precautions. And I also feel when you go out and interact with other kids and you're coping, you know, when you in a school, it's a different atmosphere because you're just looking at the teacher and concentrating on your notebooks. But when you go out and play sports, there is competition. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win, sometimes you just interact, you know. So I personally feel that being outdoor is very important for kids rather than just being limited to the house and just talking amongst the family members, because that is where actually, see, what is there in dealing with your mother or father? They will only love and protect you. The real challenge is when other people are bullying you, when other people are not wanting to include you in a game, or you know, so that is where the challenge is. Now if they don't go out only, how will they learn to cope with those challenges, right?
Very true.
So yeah.
Wonderful. Wonderful. And as I go back to the questions coming in from the live, there is one question which is coming off the track. When you got selected for the Indian cricket team, how was the feeling?
I cannot. I mean, thank you so much, first of all, for asking this question. The most precious moment of my life. I take so much pride in that moment, and I'm so thankful to the universal energy for having given me the opportunity to play for the nation. And I can die for that moment, really. If somebody says that that moment will be given to you again, and after that, soon after that, you have to die, I'll say, okay, done. I don't mind that, really.
I would like to really say here, there are so many people watching us, and there is a lady called Aparna Jha. She's saying you have inspired my son, Minoti ma'am, and he is an aspirant for cricket. So, and today's session, I'm sure, is going to be inspiring so many people out there, so many kids, so many ladies who are still aspiring to be a cricketer. So, girls, don't be disheartened. We have a person over here who's sitting along with us telling you that yes, everything is possible if you just strive, just be determined and keep going for your goals.
Believe in
Absolutely.
your dreams.
Pleasure, ma'am.
Always
That's
believe. You know,
Thank
there
you.
is one thing that I really want to share, which I learned at very later stage in life. You know, the visualization has a lot of power. You know, they when what we know normally read is that power of believing. Okay,
Mhm.
I go one step ahead. Power of visualize. Whatever you believe in, that should happen to you. You start actually seeing that with closed eyes. And once you see that this is going to happen sometime, and you have belief inside, live that feeling that when I'll play for India, how will I feel? And that joy that flow, if you can live that moment before it happens, it always happens.
And today, after listening to you probably, or even otherwise, these girls are so disciplined and they are already in their uniform. If you can see, they have a training at 8 o'clock, which they don't want to miss. So they have come back to say bye to you and say thank you to you as well.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Such a pleasure, such a pleasure. All the best. And I'm sure three of you will do whatever you do in life, you will do well. And it's not about winning or losing. Just be happy. That is what matters. Yeah.
Yes,
Cheers.
thank you for coming live with us. All three of you, best of luck from all of us at UPI.
Yeah,
Bye.
thank you so much, Minoti. It was really, really great and our pleasure to have you here. And thank you, Shivani, for such wonderful platform and giving us an opportunity to be with such great personalities. It's really an honor. Thank you so much and
Thanks
have a
to
good night.
you, Eva. Thanks to you and Supriya, all of you here, because I just spoke to them yesterday and we were just chatting and I'm like, we have a session. They're okay, fine, we'll come. I'm like, it was so short notice.
Yeah.
At such a short notice, they came in and they were here. to
And
meet
and
you.
don't
Thank
forget
you
to
for
read
doing
my
that.
book. She's a
Yes,
cricketer.
Absolutely. Yes, yes. Best wishes
I
to you.
all-
Yeah, we'll all read. Yes.
all of them will want to read the book and know what exactly Minoti went through with the book. It's coming in Hindi also.
Yeah.
तो
Yes.
हिंदी
Hindi
वाले और
also.
इंग्लिश वाले दोनों तैयार हो जाएं, Amazon पे अपना बटन दबाएं और जाके उसको क्लिक करके
Yes,
खरीदें
done.
जल्दी।
Sure thing.
और
Yeah,
खरीदने के बाद रिव्यू जरूर डालना। एक
absolutely.
ऑथर हमेशा बोलता है, किताब मेरी खरीदी पढ़ी जैसी भी लगे रिव्यू जरूर डालना।
Yes, we'll do
Because
that.
that is
We'll
the
do that.
only
for
thing
sure.
which you can tell.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Hema. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah,
Thank
bye.
you,
Good night.
Shweta. Thank
Good
you,
night.
Priya. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Good night. So we are back again, both of us together. Thank you so much, Minoti, for this lovely conversation which you are holding with all these young girls. I'm sure this will make their lives so different after interacting directly with you. They will have that encouragement to now do something which they've been longing to do, as well as wanting to do, but not very sure of what to do, right?
Yeah.
So here we have so many people watching us. We have Shuchi Shukla, we have Durga, we have Divya, we have Nashing Bliss. We have Nashing Bliss is basically Kavita Chawla. She's watching from her page, so the name is Nourishing Bliss. Aparna Jha's son is the one who just now said that he has got very inspired.
Oh,
Okay,
great.
there is another question which is here. Oh, Achal, how did you convince your parents to start playing cricket? Especially Indian parents. I think we have taken this question already, Achal. So you will have to go back to the video and see the answer what we have given. Thank you, Aparna ji. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Lalita. Thanks, Ekta. Thanks, Suchi. Thanks, Digvijay. Thank you, everyone. I cannot read everybody's name here because we also have time crunch. I have a couple of questions before we wind up. We know that, India is full of talented youngsters, but
Yes.
there is lack of resources. I'm sure we all will agree to that. Resources are there, but not everywhere. So also requires change in mindset, I guess, regarding sports. As you said, the parents have to be inclined towards it. Would you like to say something to our audience specifically towards the end, and what will be in a nutshell, if say any two lines which you will say for as a parting line for the audience, whoever is watching us?
You are wanting me to speak for parents or
Yes.
for everybody?
For parents.
See, I always believe and see that each child is very special. Everybody has something or the other in them, and parents are the closest to them. So it's up to them to observe them, ask them, communicate with them, and let them do what they like doing. I'm not saying that they should stop studying, but if they are interested in extracurricular activities, whatever it could be painting, it could be cricket, it could be lawn tennis, it could be chess, it could just be becoming an engineer. Just let them do that. But whenever, because what I have seen is that whenever somebody is doing what they are passionate about, their best ability comes out, you know, and they enjoy it. So yeah, the same thing applies for sports.
Anything for the readers of your book?
Yeah, I mean, just give your love to She the Cricketer, and
I'm sure it is already
enjoy. It's a roller coaster ride. So be ready for the ride and give it your love and give it a read. And I promise you, it won't disappoint you.
Lovely, lovely. And I'm 100% sure it will not disappoint them because I have gone through it halfway, but I haven't finished the book. So I'm waiting and eagerly waiting to finish the book soon and put my review through. So everybody out there, whoever took out time today to meet us, and Vinoti ji, especially, who has taken out time in such a busy schedule. I'm sure today also she had all her meetings planned. She had her selections going on, and she had her family commitments, which were already there, traveling on the toes all the time. Still, she made sure that she could make it today for our show. Thank you so much, Vinoti. Thanks a ton for being around for us. And I'm sure this session is going to be in the hearts of everyone who will watch it, is going to kindle the love for any sport they're playing, anything which they're doing passionately. It will kindle that love all the more and will make them clear on what exactly should be done to achieve those goals.
Yeah, and I really want to say thank you so much. And what you're doing is just so fabulous. And I really want to say thank you to Guddu Amitabh, who gave me this opportunity to connect. And thank you, all of you who have listened to us. And just
I must also, when we are thanking everybody, I must also thank, we have two, I think we have two of our sponsors. So
yes,
thanks to such people who are actually supporting our cause. Otherwise, it's just not possible to hold such events, such big events. So thank you, Nikhar Coucher. Thank you, Value Bazaar, Anjuji and Shikhaji, to support our venture. And we have Khushbu's classes who's supporting us also for our contest. And we have a whole lot of people who are supporting at the back end. I might be looking at as a face of UBI right now, but we have a whole team of at least 10, 15 people who's working day and night to make it happen. So really thanks to each one of you to make this event happen.
And I just want to do one more thing, that if there is anywhere where you have a small kind of, if you have the list of the members or something, you can probably do a lucky draw or something. And I'll want to gift my books to 25 of them. So
wow,
yeah.
wonderful. Let me work on this soon.
Yeah,
I will do it as soon.
And you can tell me whether they would like Hindi or English or whatever.
Wonderful. If it is India, then obviously hard copy can be given. I think internationally you will probably.
Yeah, internationally I'll send them Kindle copies. Yeah.
That's such a beautiful surprise for me, man. And this is awesome. This is awesome. Thank you so much for this. This is
Thank
amazing.
you so much. Thank you very much.
तो जो देख रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं, सुनने वालों का मजा आना चाहिए. देखते हैं इनमें से कौन सुन रहा है, तो उसमें से कुछ 5 चूज करेंगे.
Yes.
Maybe we can think of what exactly you have in mind and whatever we can do for our viewers as well as writers who are writing and participating in this such a long 15-day journey with us.
And if you insist, I can make the 25-30 also.
वाह, अब मुझे आप जो है वो कैरेट दिखा रहे हो, मैं छोड़ने वाली नहीं हूँ. Let's get on this soon. I'll get back to you how many number of copies and whatever. Wonderful, man. That's such an amazing.
I just don't want to let go of you. You know, I so love the session. I just so enjoyed the interaction. It has been so.
If you are comfortable, I will share with you. We have a platform on our website. We have featured authors as well. There is another process for that. I'll share everything with you too soon. And because we do support authors, and that's how we also need support, and they also need support. It's a win-win situation for both. So we would love to see you as a featured author as well. Lovely, lovely connecting to you, Vinoti. It is such a wonderful session. I
Same
think on
here.
this beautiful note, let us say goodbye to everybody. Thank you, the viewers. Thank you, everybody. जो भी देख रहा है इस लाइव सेशन को, शेयर का बटन दबाए, वॉच पार्टी प्ले करे, जहां जाए उसको इस शेयर के बटन के साथ व्हाट्सएप पे, आपका फेसबुक पेज होगा, आपके फेसबुक वॉल होगी, आपका ट्विटर अकाउंट होगा, जहां भी आप शेयर कर सकते हैं. Please share it. Let the others get inspired from such an inspirational story out here. Wonderful, Vinoti. Thank you so much.
Thank
I
you so
think
much.
we
Thank
are-
you.